Hello everyone, welcome back to the 5 Best. In today's video, we'll be checking the top 5 best action cameras that you can buy in 2021. I've made this list based on buyer suggestions, opinions, and hours of research. I also listed them based on price, features, and durability. Whether you're looking for a good valued and efficient action camera or you're just looking for the best information on the critical advantages of these action cameras, we will be providing the details for you. As always, our goal here is to create an exciting shopping guide so that our subscribers and our viewers can make the best decisions when buying these products. If you're new to this channel, welcome to the 5 Best, where we explore the best technology gadgets on the market and help you make the right purchasing decisions based on your specific requirements. The links to all the products mentioned in this video will be shown in the description below. Make sure to click the subscription button to stay up to date and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Number 5. The Osmo Brave 7e. Up first is the Osmo Brave 7 LE. The Brave 7 LE action camera is weatherproof and distinct to unlock all the filming scenarios and ease your vlogging experience. Its IPX7 water-resistant design can protect the action camera from rain, snow, and water splashing. Your underwater adventure can even go down to 131 feet. That's 40 meters, while equipped with the included waterproof housing. When it comes to capturing action, you need to be able to closely monitor every shot. This is a breeze with the Brave 7. With the innovative dual-color screen design, you can change framing and monitoring views between back and front. Especially the vivid front screen can satisfy your selfie needs, and 2-inch back touchscreen makes it incredibly easy to use. What's the point of filming epic action if your footage doesn't look good? This action camera can take hyper-quality 4K 30 frames per second video and 20MP photos, recording your adventure without missing any details. The Brave 7 action camera is also equipped with improved 6-axis electronic image stabilization. It can provide gimbal-like stabilization and greatly boost the stability and fluency of your recordings. It can create excellent footage even when you're moving fast. Beyond just standard filming, the Brave 7 also features a digital zoom function and various shooting modes, such as time-lapse, burst photo, and fast motion. These abilities help you create your footage beyond imagination, including accessories of 2 rechargeable batteries, remote, waterproofing housing, and multifunctional mounting kits help you expand your usage scenarios. Plus, the Brave 7 is remote-controlled, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi supported remote control can truly leave you hands-free. It allows you to control the camera from a distance, and it is extremely helpful when you're doing sports or taking selfies. The Osmo Brave 7 LE is ready to capture pristine footage no matter where your adventure takes you. Number 4. GoPro. GoPro is a staple of the action camera industry, and for good reason. They've been around forever, and their experience making high-quality cameras has put them on the top of the food chain when it comes to capturing adrenaline-pumping footage. With the GoPro Hero 8 Black, they've shown once again why the name GoPro means so much. Worried about shaky footage? Not anymore. The Hero 8 Black has 3 levels of stabilization: on, high, and boost. Get the widest views or boost the smoothest video ever offered in the Hero camera. Works with all resolutions and frame rates, and features in-app horizon leveling. From racing to bungee jumping, this camera stays smooth under all kinds of conditions. When you're using an action cam, speed is everything. The Hero 8 features a reimagined shape that is more pocketable, and folding fingers at the base let you swap mounts quickly. A new side door makes changing batteries even faster, and the lens is now 2 times more impact resistant compared to previous models. Keep your viewers at the front of the action and live stream in 1080p to social media with the Hero 8. Nothing will come between you and your audience when you share your adventures. Plus, you can still save your footage to an SD card if you want to edit it later on. Everybody loves a good time-lapse, and the Hero 8 is one of the best in the business at capturing them in high quality. With GoPro's Time Warp 2.0 technology, you can record highly stabilized time-lapses even while moving. One aspect of action cameras that can be tricky is composing your shots perfectly, but with the Hero 8's digital lenses, you can instantly toggle between narrow, linear, wide and super view lenses, giving you the perfect frame every time. Once again, GoPro has knocked it out of the park with the Hero 8 Black, and you can equip your camera with tons of different mounts and accessories to tailor it perfectly for any situation. Number 3. DJI. DJI might be known for making top-of-the-line drones, but now they've created one of the best action cameras on the market. The DJI Osmo Action utilizes state-of-the-art technology and superb quality hardware to provide an action camera built for adventure. Like the 𝐂𝐚𝐽 Brave 7, the Osmo Action features a dual-screen display. This allows you to capture it all with the touch of a button. A vivid front screen lets you frame yourself effortlessly in any setting, while the back screen delivers a crystal clear, hyper-responsive display. This durable, versatile action camera is jam-packed with technology that lets you spend your time worrying less about the equipment and more about time living the action. Using what they've learned making drones, DJI has equipped their action cam with amazing stability tech. The Rocksteady technology combines electric imaging stabilization with complex algorithms, delivering stable, shaky-free footage no matter how heavy the action gets. Not only will your footage be smooth, it will also be sharp. The Osmo Action features a 12MP CMOS sensor that shoots stunning 4K HDR videos. Want to take a closer look at the action? Record in 240 frames per second and slow your footage down by up to 8 times. Don't miss any detail with this insanely high quality slow motion ability. If you're buying an action camera, you want it to be as durable as possible. Sporting a watertight seal and a hydrophobic coating on the back touchscreen, Osmo Action is waterproof at depths of up to 11 meters, making it the perfect underwater companion. Versatile batteries perform well even in extreme cold environments with temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius. The DJI Osmo Action camera is filled to the brim with cutting-edge technology. It even responds to voice commands. 5 different commands make essential functions like filming, capturing photos, and powering down the camera effortless. With this camera, DJI has proven that they're capable of creating an action cam that performs at the very highest level. Wherever you go, it's ready to go with you. Number 2. GoPro Max. GoPro makes our list of the best action cameras you can buy in 2021 yet again with the GoPro Max. With classic hero-style skills, spherical capture wizardry, and unbreakable stabilization, this is easily the most creative GoPro ever. Capture traditional GoPro video and photos or shoot 360-degree footage of everything around you. Snap a panoramic shot without having to pan, just point and click. Choose a digital lens to capture your footage exactly how you imagine it. And with 6 mics on board, get immersive 360-degree audio and the best sound they've ever delivered. Like all of the high-end GoPro models, the GoPro Max features amazing stabilization, live streaming capabilities, and sharp footage. What makes the Max so special is its ability to capture all 360 degrees of action. No matter how crazy the situation is, the Max won't miss a single second of it. Instead of investing in multiple cameras that all have to be separately mounted to record different angles, the GoPro Max does it all by itself. That means you can spend more time actually doing what you love instead of taking more time setting up your equipment. If you want to capture as much footage of your excursions as possible, the GoPro Max might be the best action camera for you. And number 1. GoPro, the Hero 9 Black. GoPro established their dominance in the action camera market early, and now they hold the title of the best action camera you can buy in 2021. The Hero 9 Black is the best of the best. With this camera, GoPro has proven once again that they know exactly what people want out of their action cam. While a lot of manufacturers boast about their cameras recording in 4K, the Hero 9 ups the ante by providing stunning 5K resolution. This is perfect for when you want to maintain detail even while zooming in. Are photos more your style? The Hero 9 features an incredible 20-megapixel sensor that captures crisp, pro-quality photos. Plus, the GoPro's super photo technology, the camera will even automatically pick the best image processing for you. The Hero 9 Black features the latest and greatest in image stabilization. Experience the ultimate smoothness with their most advanced video stabilization ever, Time Warp 3.0. Record mesmerizing time-lapse scenes as you move on the road, on foot, or anywhere else. GoPro are known for being hard to kill, and the Hero 9 is no different. It's rugged, waterproof, and can shoot in the gnarliest conditions imaginable. Hero 9 Black can take it. It's tough as nails and waterproof down to 33 feet right out of the box, no accessories needed. When it comes to action cameras on the market in 2021, the GoPro Hero 9 Black is the absolute best. If you need a trustworthy and dependable companion on your adventures, look no further. That's all on today's 5 best videos. For more mind-blowing videos of technology gadgets and electronics, subscribe to the channel. Like and share with friends, and we'll see you in the next video.